Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones REDMI Buds 4 Pro to the application. So firstly we should pair them, and if you did it, just go to the step 2. Now open the settings, then go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. If you have Android, also don't forget to click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold functional button for at least 2 seconds until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list and hide the settings. Now step 2. Open the application and click add earphones. Now it should find them, but if it's not, I will show it to you. Also, this application have some bug here, so try to check it, go back, and as you can see, it's just connecting, just because of this bug. That's it. But if you haven't this bug, just click on the headphones at the top. You will see your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.